Hello everyone. So today in this video you're going to learn about Erythroblastosis foetalis. I know it sounds like a really long and complicated thing, Erythroblastosis foetalis, but don't worry, I'm going to make it a little easier for you. I hope I can do that. Anyway, now anything but biology, if you break down the term, then it becomes so much easier. So first let's look at the term Erythroblastosis foetalis. What does erythroblast mean? Young red blood cells. That's the meaning of erythroblast. If you look at biology, then anything with blast means like young cell, like chondroblast means young cartilage cells, osteoblast means young bone cells. So you see that if there's blast, that means it's young. So erythroblast, young erythrocytes, right? And fetalis means something related with fetus. So the destruction of the erythroblast of fetus that is called as erythroblastosis fetalis, and it's one of the complication of pregnancies that may occur in one condition if in many conditions actually. So first let's look at the condition, like how does it occur. First condition is if the male is Rh positive. So Rh means rhesus, and it's just like it was first this antigen was found on the rhesus monkey. That's why its name is Rh. So it's found on the surface of the RBC. If the Rh antigen is present on the surface of the RBC, then we say that the person is Rh positive, and if it is absent, then we say that the person is Rh negative. You know, antigen, it means antibody producing, something that produces antibody or that causes your immunity to produce the antibody to fight it off, right? So now you're the male is Rh positive and the female she's Rh negative, and if they have a baby, for instance, let's now that's the condition, right? The male should be Rh positive, the female should be Rh negative. Now they have the first baby and it turns out to be Rh positive. So what happens in this case? The mother, she does not have Rh antibody produced in her body yet. So it's fine, and there's the placenta, which is acting as a barrier between the mother and the child. So the child is safe. And in the first pregnancy, there's no complication in it, and the baby comes out safe. But what happens during the time of parturition or at the time of giving birth is the placenta membrane, it breaks down. Now, the placenta breaks down, so there's mixing up the blood of the fetus and the mother. So some of these RBCs now they have entered into the mother's body. Now, the baby is Rh positive. There's Rh antigen present in its RBC. So it causes the formation of Rh antibody in her body. Now she has it all prepared. If any Rh positive thing comes, if anything with Rh antigen present in the surface comes, her immunity is ready to just fight it off and just destruct it, right? So in the second pregnancy, if the baby comes out to be Rh positive, there's a big complication because these Rh antibodies they can cross the placenta. So if the baby comes out to be positive, she has got it all prepared, right? So if the baby is positive, now what will her body do? Her immunity will be like, oh my god, there's a danger. There's this Rh antigen present. And it can enter into it, and it will destroy the RBC of the fetus. So that condition is called erythroblastosis fetalis. And one question that may arise in this condition, in this case, is for you that then why, like if the baby is, let's say, of blood group AB and the mother is of A and the father was of B, then the baby could be AB, right? So if the baby is, let's say, AB, then the mother has got antibody B in her body, right? Because she has got blood group A, then nothing happens in that case. But why does it happen in the case of Rh? The answer is that antibody B, it cannot cross the placenta. But Rh antibody, it can cross the placenta. That's why it causes such a big problem. But thanks to our this complex thing right here, which is the most amazing thing in the universe, our brain, we humans have been able to solve this problem. And if it is already known that the mother is Rh negative and the father is Rh positive, then they will like know that there's a chance of it. So if they get it, then it can be saved, but it has to be known in the first pregnancy itself that she has to inform that she is negative and her a partner is positive. Then it is possible to prevent this. And that is, you learned about erythrovitis fetalis today, and I hope you understood it. Thank you.